It's too slippery. Go on, my son. Go on, my son. Okay. Salmon cakes, pickled onions, lemon aioli, parmesan grits, grilled broccolini. So I'm going to show you how to make some amazing salmon cakes. Little touch of olive oil. And we're going to get these nicely sweated off. Smells amazing. I'm just gently sweating the peppers. I don't want any brown. I'm going to add these to a bowl and let them cool. Very important to let them cool down. I'm going to get my salmon. I think I got some tail ends, and that's great for fish cakes. Here's some tail ends. The skin on. I will show you a trick how to remove salmon skin without a knife, and I'll show you the traditional way. So with the knife, I've just nipped it like that. That's the traditional way. Get your knife at an angle, check to see where you're at. Beautiful. Nice, that's the traditional way. The fun way, I just like to do this, it's funny, if I can. I'm gonna make a little hole in the skin for my thumb. Go like that. See? Come on! Wrap it round. It's too slippery. Go on, my son. Go on, my son. Go on, my son. Yes, we did it. We did it. And now you just want to cut the salmon into bite-sized chunks. You don't want it mush. And then just do a rough chop with your knife. Like I said, I don't want it mushy. So add all that to a bowl. Look at this. This will be a great addition to my salmon cakes. Oak smoked salmon. Smoked salmon. Beautiful. Cracked black pepper on top. Amazing. And just crumble that in to my salmon. Oh, that smells so good. Next, add your peppers and your onion. A little bit of green onion. A little bit of basil. Basil is so good in salmon cakes. Give it a little quick chiffonade. Nice. Basil goes in. A little bit of parsley, just for some freshness. Parsley goes in. Just a little bit of garlic at the end. That garlic pop. Garlic goes in. I want a good dollop of mayonnaise. I want some mustard. I definitely want some lemon zest in here. It'll just give it a nice lemony tang. A little touch of Old Bay. Ground black pepper. Good pinch of salt. Then some breadcrumbs. And to mix it, I like to use my hands instead of a spoon or a spatula. I like to get in there and mix it.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Me too. By hand. Right, put that to one side. Get your sheet pan. Then add a little bit of breadcrumbs at the bottom. And then just shape them into patties, but pack them light, gentle. You don't want to pack them too tight. Then just lightly sprinkle some breadcrumbs over the top. You want to wrap them and place in the fridge for a good 2 hours, just to firm up. Okay, 2 hours have passed. When you're cooking these are a little delicate, so you've got to be careful. Add a touch of olive oil. And add the fish cake. And you gently just want to cook these through until golden brown. Flowy sheet. So good.